Welcome to GeoByte. When you taste super success after tasting super failure, there is a huge relief. Akshay Kumar is an Indian actor and producer. His birth name is Rajiv Hari Om Bhatia. Apart from being an actor, he is also a philanthropist, stuntman, and martial artist. Once upon a time, he was a chef in Bangkok. He has been one of the highest paid actors in the Bollywood. Akshay Kumar was born on 9th September 1967 in Amritsar, India. He was educated from Don Bosco High School, Darjeeling. Around the same time, he started learning karate. Since childhood, Akshay was interested in sports and martial arts. He was raised in Old Delhi and then relocated to Kolivada in Mumbai. Later, he took admission in Guru Nanak Khalsa College in Mumbai, but dropped out of college as he was poor in studies. He moved to Bangkok and learnt martial arts there. He also learnt Thai boxing. While in Bangkok, Akshay worked as a chef and a waiter. Later, he came back to Mumbai to start his own martial arts school. Akshay was suggested to take up modeling by one of his students because of his good looks and dashing personality. Once successful in modeling, Akshay changed his name from Rajiv Hari Om Bhatia to Akshay Kumar, which was the stage name of an actor opposite to his favorite actress in a movie. Akshay's hobbies are cooking, martial arts, playing volleyball, and cricket. Akshay likes listening to music, rock climbing, and swimming. And he hates to be a typecast as an action or a comedy hero. He is having a tattoo on his left shoulder of his wife's nickname Tina, and also his son's name Arav on his back. Favorite things of Akshay Kumar. Favorite foods: Thai green chicken curry, homemade Punjabi food, and Chinese items. Favorite fruit: mango. Favorite dessert: Indian sweets. Favorite actors: Amitabh Bachchan and Jackie Chan. Favorite actresses: Sridevi and Kareena Kapoor. Favorite color: black. Now coming to Akshay's family status. Akshay comes from a Punjabi Hindu family. His father Hari Om Bhatia was a government employee and served as an army officer. Later resigned to become an accountant at UNICEF. His mother Aruna Bhatia was a homemaker. He has a younger sister named Alka Bhatia. Akshay got married with Twinkle Khanna on 17th January in 2001. The couple has a son named Arav and a daughter named Nitra. Akshay is quite keen about his children's privacy and often he avoids any media interactions with them, giving them a normal lifestyle. Now let us know the acting career of Akshay Kumar. It was at the instance of his friends that Akshay Kumar decided to try his luck in acting. After working for a few modeling assignments, he received an offer from Raj Sippy to act in his film Saugandh in 1991, which could not do well in the box office. It was Abbas Mustan's thriller Khiladi which made him a star. He has mostly acted in thrillers and action movies like Mai Khiladi Tu Anari in 1993, Elan in 1994, Mohra in 1994, Sabse Bada Khiladi in 1995, Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi in 1996. He even did a few romantic films such as Ye Dil Lagi in 1994, Dhadkan in 2000, and Andaz in 2003. He did a number of films with the name Khiladi such as Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi, Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi, and even an international Khiladi. Akshay Kumar's comic role in Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi in 1997 was not quite successful, but finally established his talent and proved he could do in action movies, romantic movies, and even in comedies with equal ease. In the year 2000, Hera Fairy was released, which became a hit. He then became a first choice for directors in comedies such as Avara Pagal Divana in 2002, Mujhse Shaadi Karoge in 2004, Garam Masala in 2005. His dramatic roles in films like Ek Rishta in 2001, Bewafa in 2005. The Race Against Time in 2005 was appreciated by his fans. Namaste London in 2007 did fairly well in the box office. It was probably around 2007 when Akshay Kumar started breaking into the big league of Bollywood stars. At that time, Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, and Hrithik Roshan were jostling to get past each other in order to challenge the Khan trio. He started getting closer to the numero uno spot, and after 10 fruitful years starting from 2007, he is at a stage where he can rise past the competition. So when we decide to analyze his career, we took 2007 as the base year, as that was the beginning of the brand Akshay Kumar. Also, it gave us a bandwidth of 10 years that eventually made us see certain patterns easily. He wasn't directly responsible for their performances. He has done more than 135 films and won several awards. Akshay Kumar's philanthropic work over the years proves he is a man with a golden heart. Half of the sum was given for dan or charity work, of which he has been doing more of in recent times. He has also donated 5 million to Salman Khan's Being Human Foundation. As of 2013, Akshay Kumar has been the Hindi film industry's highest advance taxpayer for 6 consecutive years. A few years back, the state of Maharashtra was severely hit by one of the worst droughts. It resulted in farmers committing suicide as they were unable to pay for the living. As per the reports, Akshay Kumar donated 90 lakhs to help about 180 farmers. Home for transgenders. We saw Akshay Kumar in the film Lakshmi Bomb, where his role is of transgender. Earlier, the director of the film, Raghava Lawrence, shared on his Facebook about how Akshay Kumar will be providing a home for transgender community. It was reportedly said that Akshay Kumar has donated 1.5 crores for the transgenders. Flood relief funds. Few years back, Kerala, Assam and Chennai were left destroyed as they were hit by the floods that severely affected several families as they lost their houses, land, crops. Many of the people lost their lives. The state government did all that they could do to help the country. They asked help from the citizens to help state rise again. Akshay Kumar reportedly donated a sum of 1 crore each to Kerala but also Assam and Chennai, who were facing the same problem. Akshay Kumar also continued his nature by donating 25 crores to the PM Cares Fund for people that are affected by the novel coronavirus. Akshay Kumar owned many awards like Padma Shri in 2009, National Film Award for Best Actor in 2017, Filmfare Award for Best Villain in 2002, Zee Cine Awards for Best Actor, Viewer's Choice in 2008 and 2017, Apsara Awards for Entertainer of the Year for Sing is King in 2009, Stardust Awards for Best Actor in comedy or romance for Houseful in 2011. Some facts about Akshay Kumar are: he worked as a waiter in a restaurant named Metro Guest House in Bangkok to earn his living, where his initial salary was 1500 rupees. He even worked as a peon for a travel organization in Kolkata. Akshay was about to start his modeling projects at Bangalore, but he missed out his flight and started wandering in Natraj studio, where he met Pramod Chakravarti and signed the film Deedar. After giving a number of flops in a row, his comical performance in Hera Fairy rocked the audience and rolled them into the passage. After this movie, it was stated that a new Akshay Kumar was born with a comic talent. Apart from acting, he has also sung Punjabi devotional song Nirgan Rakh Liya, and whatever the profit was made from that was donated to the victims of the train bombings of Mumbai. In 2008, he was honored with the honorary doctorate of law from the University of Windsor for his outstanding acting career. The same year, he was listed among the sexiest man alive by the People's Magazine. In his film OMG, Oh My God, the bike Akshay rode was worth of 1 million rupees. Akshay's performance in Gabbar Is Back was critically acclaimed by the audience, but his daughter was not happy with his long beard. He is pretty emotional about the firsts in his life, as he has still kept his first car, motorcycle, and house. He is a fitness freak and does activities like basketball, swimming, kickboxing, and working out to stay in shape. He collected 65 million between 1st June 2018 to 1st June 2019. In 2019, he took 4th spot in Forbes' highest paid actors list. The lesson from Akshay Kumar life is the luck is always favoring the hard work. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.